Hi guys, today I am going to be showing you how I make turmeric and carrot rice. This rice is packed with a lot of nutrients and also flavor. So if you are interested, please come along with me. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's get started. So these are all the natural seasoning that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a tablespoon of thyme leaves. I'm going to be using a tablespoon of garlic, some pimento seeds, a whole scotch bonnet pepper, half of a white onion, 2 scallion chopped, and also I'm going to be using garlic. I will be using some carrots, so here I shredded them. This is at 1.5 cups. I will leave all the ingredients down below, so remember to check it out. Here in my pot I am adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use the oil of your choice. After it has been heated, I am going to add my onion and my garlic. I am going to saute them for about a minute or two, just to bring out the flavor. So now I'm going to add my ginger, thyme and my pimento seeds. So after about a minute after I added them, I am going to add my shredded carrots. So now I'm going to season up the pot. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. Gonna be adding some black pepper, which is about half a teaspoon. I'm gonna be adding a tablespoon of turmeric powder, but first I'm going to add like a half a teaspoon just to see how the color looks. And if I need more, I'm going to add it. Also, I'm going to add some salt. So with the turmeric powder, you add it to your liking. So now I'm going to add 2 cups of white rice. You can use the rice of your choice. Here I am coating the rice fully in the mixture. As you can see guys, it doesn't have a nice pretty color, so I'm going to add another half teaspoon. Remember I added half already, so I'm just going to be adding some more. So if you like this color, then you can leave it just the way it is. Here I am adding 1.5 cups of water. You should not add a lot of water for this recipe. So what I'm going to do is just add a little water, just enough to cover the rice. Afterwards I'm going to cover the pot and let it steam on a very low flame. So as you can see, when I add the water, I kind of immerse the rice into the liquid. So when I do it this way, even though you don't add a lot of water, it will steam properly. So just cover the pot, put it on a very low flame and just leave it. Or if you like, you can cover it with your foil or your plastic. So I'm just going to be adding a scotch bonnet pepper and also the scallion. So guys, this is the finished product, and as you can see, it is looking lovely. The rice is so fluffy and nice. There's a lot of flavor bursting out on me right now, and also guys, it tastes great. So please remember to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. If you try this recipe, please tag me on Instagram at recipe_Tamara. Also comment down below the video and let me know, give me a feedback. Also subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.